Are you looking for a resort-like living experience in the metro every day? Then this video is for you. Let me show you the Erin Heights by DMCI Homes. This is the Erin Heights, the newest innovative design project of DMCI Homes. By the way, my name is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, and this is what's in store for you today. Starting from the company background, I'm very proud to share that we are a builder-developer with a quadruple A seal when it comes to construction, which means that the quality of deliverables that we provide is in a global level and we are allowed to build properties in different countries. We are known with our signature structural design like the Sky Promenade, Sky Patios, Breezeway, and Atrium, which let the natural light easily come in and ensures ventilation, and we are known with our hotel and resort-inspired structural design. And the newest part of our construction brand, the Sky Deck Pool located at the roof deck level. When it comes to competitive edge, our company provides 2-year workmanship warranty. And for the newest competitive edge, this is the first project of DMCI Homes that has water recycling system. The goal of this development is simple: to make your everyday living more sustainable, efficient, and future-ready. The Erin Heights by DMCI Homes is the first condominium in the market to feature a water recycling system, an innovation that ensures a steady water supply during shortages, helps you save on water bills, and supports a greener lifestyle. This is more than a home, it's a smarter way to live. The Erin Heights, where innovation flows naturally. Moving on to the project overview, this is a high-rise residential condominium with modern tropical design, and it has 54 residential floors that offers different unit types like studio, 2 and 3 bedroom units. For the amenities and open space ratio, that's 53%. When it comes to the location, the Erin Heights is situated at Commonwealth Avenue, corner Tandansora Avenue, Quezon City. And the nearest transportation hub, which is the upcoming MRT-7 Tandansora Station. You have an easy access to medical facilities such as Diliman Doctors Hospital and General Malvar. Commercial centers and business hubs are also accessible like UP Techno Hub, UP Town Center, and Trinoma Mall. You also have an access to educational institutions such as UP Diliman and Ateneo de Manila. Regarding the amenities and facilities, this is the amenity core located at the ground floor, gate and guard house, drop-off area, kiddie pool, leisure pool, play area, shooting court, feature garden, reception lounge, game area, entertainment room, sky patios located every 5 floors. We also have the amenities located at the roof deck level like the Sky Promenade, Sky Lounge, and the newest part of our construction brand, the Sky Deck Pool. Bonus, here in DMCI, we also have co-working space, convenience store, card-operated laundry station, and water station that gives you free water every month. If you're in love with the design of Erin Heights but prefer a different location, don't you worry, DMCI got you, as we offer different locations such as Panay Avenue in Quezon City, West Avenue in Quezon City, Malate, Manila, C5 Pasig, Grace Park, Caloocan City, DM Guevara, Mandaluyong City, Chino Roses, Makati City, and San Juan, Batangas. If you're currently located abroad and unavailable to check our properties, don't you worry, I made a quick virtual tour just for you. Welcome to the Erin Heights by DMCI Homes, a vertical oasis rising in the heart of Quezon City. Strategically located along Commonwealth Avenue, just steps away from the future MRT Tandansora Station. The Erin Heights puts you close to top schools, hospitals, malls, and business hubs. But what truly sets this development apart is the hotel and resort lifestyle it offers every single day. Take a dip in the scenic Sky Deck Pool, unwind in lush landscape gardens, stay active in the fully equipped fitness gym, or relax in beautifully designed lounge areas and entertainment spaces. Built with DMCI's signature Lumivent design, the Erin Heights brings in fresh air, natural light, and panoramic city views, making every moment feel like a getaway. Experience elevated living where comfort, convenience, and sustainability flow naturally. The Erin Heights, your peaceful retreat in the city. Are you loving this property? Not only the condo tours, but I'm also uploading real estate insights that might be helpful for you. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as I'll be uploading more in the future just for you. Now let's continue with the unit offerings and price. Moving on with the unit offerings, here in DMCI Homes, we offer different unit types with different sizes, starting with the studio unit that has 28.5 to 32.5 square meter. For 2 bedrooms, we have 48.5 to 117 square meters and 3 bedroom with 76.5 to 183 square meter. The current value of the Erin Heights is 146,000 per square meter. And let's go ahead over to the computation. This is a computation for a 2 bedroom with balcony with an area of 58.5 square meter. So for the net total contract price, that's 9.3 million. And for you to reserve the unit, that's 20,000. With the monthly payable for 36 months, which is 70,000. For the 70% balance, that's 5.9 million. With the closing fee of 891,000, overall balance is 6.8 million, payable through cash or bank financing. I'm glad to share that we have a promo term as of this moment, which is 12% equity and 88% balance. This is a computation for a 2 bedroom with balcony with an area of 58.5 square meter. So for the net total contract price, that's 9.3 million. Reservation fee is 20,000. Monthly payable for 36 months is 27,000. 88% balance is 7.4 million with a closing fee of 891,000. Total balance is 8.3 million, payable through cash or bank financing. Turnover of the Erin Heights is October 2027. Thank you so much for watching. I uploaded 2 ready for occupancy projects, one in Quezon City and one in Pasig, so feel free to check it out. This is Lance, your licensed real estate broker, reminding you to always do smart living. See you!